Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn the restricting the data from the table. In most cases, we don't require to retrieve all the data from the table because table could have millions of records. So, best practice to use where condition. This where condition restrict the data from the table which I use in select statement. So let us start. This is my free trial account. If I want to retrieve all the records from the customer table, we simply use select star from customer table. If I execute this statement, this query retrieve all the column and all the row from the customer table. If I want to return only 5 record for shortness, we use limit 5. If I execute this statement, if I click here, then this statement execute. This show only 5 record. So we use limit 5 for shortness. Now the come to this, the where condition is used for limiting the row. If I want to retrieve all the records from customer table which national key ID equal to 15, then we use where clause from table name. After that we use where clause. Where clause always use after from clause. So if I execute this statement, this query retrieve only record which have national key equal to 15. If I remove limit and execute again, then it show all the record from the customer table which have national key equal to 15. Here you can see the result. Okay. Now move to another demo. If I execute this statement, this query retrieve customer data from the customer table where account balance equal to 9957.56. Okay, salary has only one customer, so return only one value. Okay, now move to another demo. You should know when using the where condition, character string and date value are enclosed with single quotation mark, and character value are case sensitive and date value are format sensitive. So if I use where condition, for example market segment equal to automobile, we use single quotation. So if I execute this statement, then this query retrieve all the data from the customer table which have market segment equal to automobile. If I execute this statement, here I put a small letter automobile, so this query nothing return any result because data has case sensitive in where clause. Okay. If I using date in where clause, if I execute this statement, then this query return the data from order table where order date is equal to 1994 1st of January. So date must be enclosed in single quotation. We can use comparison operator in where clause. The comparison operator here is I list. This is a operator, comparison operator equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, between, like, in, is null, is not null. This is a mostly comparison operator we use in where clause. So if I move to demo, if I want to retrieve all the data which order status is not equal to F, then we use simply less than and greater than comparison operator. If I execute this statement, then this query show the only those result which have order status is not equal to F. This is order status in result set not equal to F. Only show O, P and other order order status. We can use not equal to by epsilon equal to. If I execute this result, this is same as above query. We can use greater than in where condition. If I want to retrieve all the data from customer table which have account balance is greater than 500, if I execute this statement, and ordering by account balance in descending order. Here you can see the account balance which have greater than 5000 in descending order. If I move to other demo, if I want to retrieve all the data from a line item table which have extended price less than 1000, we use less than operator. We learned the order by clause later. Let's execute this statement. We see the result which have extended price is less than 1000. We can use greater than or equal to operator in where clause. If I want to retrieve all the data from order table which have total price is greater than equal to 1000, we simply use in where condition. After that we use the order by clause in total price descending order. If I execute this statement, then result is showing which have total price is greater than equal to 10,000, and sort the data total price in descending order. We can use less than equal to in where condition. So let's execute this statement. This query retrieve all the item from the line item table where discount is less than or equal to 0.5 and ordering the result by discount and limiting it to 5. Okay, so the where clause is essential for extracting data based on a specific condition and utilize comparison and logical operator to create precise condition. And order by clause is used to sorting the data. We learn order by clause and logical operator in later video. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next video on advanced Snowflake querying technique. Please subscribe my channel, like, and feel free to share my video with friends. Thank you for watching.